Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Dahil sa husay niya sa pag-arte ay agad siyang nabigyan at naging bahagi ng iba't ibang programa sa GMA. At ngayong 25 years nang naghahatid ng tawanan at kulitan ng longest running gag show na Bubble Gang, makakasama natin ang isa sa mga nagpapasaya sa atin tuwing Biyernes ng gabi. Please welcome Annalyn Baro! Masantos si Kamusan Annalyn and welcome to Mornings sa GMA Regional TV!
Hi everyone! Masantos ya kabosan to everyone! Ayan, hi Ara!
Kamusta naman ang umaga mo, Annalyn?
Okay naman, happy morning!
Annalyn ha, let's take a quick look back. What's the biggest factor that has inspired you to enter showbiz?
Pinaka-biggest factor, siguro when I found out that I fell in love with acting. Kasi before naman, I do declamation, oration, but I'm not the type of artista na bata pa lang, gusto ko na mag-artista, yung ganyan. But since nung nag-training na ako from Starstruck and everything, I fell in love with what I do. I fell in love with acting. Kaya I consider it as my biggest factor talaga kasi yun yung parang fuel ko of my happiness. So yun yung biggest factor I think for me.
Nako, how was your Bubble Gang journey going so far? Paano nakatulong sa showbiz career mo ang pagiging bahagi ng well-loved and longest-running gag show na ito?
It helped me so much kasi dati, I was doing teleserye and then people would like notice me na, oy, ikaw yung sa teleserye, ganyan. Pero pag Bubble Gang, iba. Talagang kahit malayo ka pa, alam na nilang taga-Bubble Gang ka. Ganun ka lakas yung impact ng Bubble Gang for me. Lalo na nung nagkaroon ako ng solo segment which is, what is the meaning of this? After talaga noon, parang dun ako parang nakilala, dun nagbukas yung mga doors of opportunities, naging dumami yung work ko. So talagang grateful ako and thankful ako for Bubble Gang kasi isa talaga ito sa nag-help sa akin sa showbiz career ko.
At syempre, due to pandemic and as far as health and safety are concerned, how does the program management ensure the safety and well-being of all the persons involved, including you and your guest?
Safety protocols. Nag-RT-PCR kami before doing taping. Talagang may test kami. Regular yung RT-PCR namin. And then we have also marshals, may mga guards din na, nagdadala ng mga parang note na, oy guys, social distancing, and then always wear your face shield and stuff like that. And then parang every after 3 hours, may nag-check din ng temp namin, kung ano nararamdaman namin. During taping to, talagang secured and talagang safe kami kasi hindi kami pinapabayaan ng network and even the show. Talagang lahat nakamonitor, may mga medic, lahat. So, yun, safe naman talaga.
25 years na kayong nagpapasaya sa ating mga kapuso. Ano pa ang dapat naming matunghayan sa Bubble Gang?
Marami pa kaming baon, guys. Gaya nga ng song na kinanta namin lahat, which is Andito Pa Rin Kami, na kinumpose ni Kuya Bitoy at si Kuya Bitoy gumawa. Marami kaming isi-showcase pa, marami pa kaming baon, marami pa kaming segments and sketches na papakita para for you guys na matawa kayo, ma-inspire kayo, and syempre, para pag Friday night, chill lang tayo. Dapat Friday night is Bubble Gang night.
Thank you very much sa'yo, Annalyn, and congratulations sa success ng Bubble Gang! Bukod sa Bubble Gang, ano pa ang dapat namin abangan sa'yo? At saan ka pa pwedeng i-follow ng ating mga kapuso dito sa North Central Luzon? Please invite!
Ayun guys, don't forget to watch Bubble Gang. That's every Friday. Tapos First Yaya, me as Gem Rose, malapit na namin kayong palapit nyo na ang mapapanood ang First Yaya Book 2. And syempre, streaming live now on Netflix, Isla the Movie. So sana mapanood nyo rin yan sa Netflix, guys. And You can also follow me sa Instagram and Facebook. It's Annalyn Barro. Sa Twitter ko naman, it's Anna A. Barro. At syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan manood ng mga regional TV shows and lahat ng shows ng GMA.
Have a great day! Stay safe, Annalyn! Bye!
Thank you! Salamat! Salamat sa time, guys.